Hello, this is Rhonda Schaefer living in Fairport, New York. If you find value after watching this video, please like, comment, as I value your feedback. You can subscribe too if you haven't done so already. My dear friend Sheila of Sharing with Sheila and Rhonda passed on this tidbit of truth recently. It was from Socrates. I thought it was worth passing on to you. Socrates once said, the secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. Don't fight the old, just focus on building the new. Energy follows thought. Wherever we fight against, we strengthen, because by fighting it, we give it our very energy. So by fighting against something we want to get rid of, we strengthen the very thing that we want to get rid of. That's why don't fight the old, just focus on building the new. Don't fight your illness, just focus on health. Or on a global scale, don't fight terror, focus on peace. An anti-terror initiative will never bring peace. Only a pro-peace initiative will. Never be anti-anything, always be pro-something. With that said, this is Rhonda Schaefer, living in Fairport, New York. If you found value in this video today, like and comment. If you haven't already, subscribe so you'll be notified of future videos. Good day.